Do you remember the quote? To be born poor is not your mistake, but to die poor is your mistake. The main question that we ponder on is always, how can I get rich fast? The first and best rule to follow is to avoid debt and loans. Debt is not necessarily bad in all instances, but it is something to be avoided most of the time. Spend intentionally and minimize cost. Invest as much as possible. Work on your career and find extra work to boost your income. Make it a goal to create or acquire cash generating assets that will produce more and more funds every day, which you can then redeploy into other investments. Dangers of excessive borrowing and taking loans can cause the collapse and disintegration of the family. People suffer from the not enough mentality. I don't have enough money to invest. However, armies are built one soldier at a time. Small funds can eventually make billions of dollars as long as you see the potential and start saving. It may only be $5 or $10 at a time, but each of these investments is a stone in the foundation of your financial freedom. What are you waiting for? Start saving today.